Hey everyone, don't know how well you can see me, it's pretty dark. Just got set up, doing some more ice fishing today. Today it's going to be a beautiful weekend in January up here in Taylor County, Wisconsin. Today I am going after crappie. Today it's crappie, crappie, crappie. I am going to pop a boatload of holes once it gets a little brighter outside, once the sun comes up. And then today is going to be a hole hopping day. Stay tuned, hope you enjoy. Let's go. Well guys, it hasn't been a very good day at all. I have zero fish on the ice. It's just approaching 3 o'clock. I'm going to stick around for another hour, hour and a half. I'm bored. I am super bored. I'm hoping that with the nightfall here that the crappies are going to start to bite real soon, but there's no guarantee. I've seen so many big crappies on the camera today, but none of them would hit. I've caught a ton of small, tiny crappies and a ton of small bluegills, but it's not worth footage. Right species, wrong size. That's what I'm here for. That went off without me even knowing. I think this might be a pike. Nope, it's not. Nice crappie. This video is not done at all. I'm going to continue this tomorrow. I'm going to get back out here early again, and my fingers are going to be crossed that tomorrow's a better day. So, but I got 2 fish on the ice. I'm happy with that. I can get out of here, pack up, go home. We'll see my dog. So, continue tomorrow. Hey everyone, I'm back. I told you I was going to come back to this lake today and try to put some more crappie on the ice. And I'm back at my same spot that I was at yesterday. Exact same spot. The holes, I don't even have to drill any holes today. I probably could have just left my auger in the car, but I brought it anyway. Yeah, it's beautiful out here. There's no wind. I'm going to be able to sit outside on the ice all day. First time this season. I could have yesterday, but I don't know. I wanted the comforts of a nice warm shack, you know? But anyway, check this out. Yesterday I caught some bluegill. Right? And they didn't seem to want to swim back down the hole. And they're still here. And what's really weird about it is that they're still alive. See? Still wiggling. There was 2 of them here, and then I'd kicked the hole. One of them might have actually gone down, but I guess I'm gonna have some friends here all day. All right, let's get this party started. Well, here's a look at my entire setup without an ice shack. Got the camera right here. Got my Vexlar right there. There's fish down there. I just haven't grubbed up a hook yet. Well, as you guys just saw, my setup, I've really only been here about a half hour, and this automatic already went off and I missed it. This one's been toyed with, but everything's still good. And
I already got fishies on the ice.
It's already been a good day. There's a big storm rolling in. I know the panfish are really going to be snapping today. The closer that storm gets, the more them crappies are going to be hitting. So today's going to be a fantastic day. I already know it.